How many benefits do you know about mangoes? Do you know that mangoes are so very rich in nutrients and helps in so many parts of the body? Mango helps in your digestion, helps in diabetes, helps in your eyes also, and it helps most importantly in boosting your immune system. So I don't know how you use your mangoes, but today I'll be making one of my favorite and special mango drink or mango shake, anyway you can call it anyhow you want. So how do you use your mangoes? I don't know. That is a question that you have to answer for yourself. So without any waste of time, let's go. So in this recipe we just need just 3 pieces of mango, 1 cup of chilled milk, 1 cup of ice, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Then we get our whipping cream also. So for these 3 pieces of mango, one we use to make our mango puree and the garnishing, then 2 we are going to use for the juice. Let's begin right away. It's your favorite 237 Chef Vibes with your best of kitchen recipe. Please, if you are new in my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will get the notification. And also do not forget to leave your comment. So first of all, we need to get our mango peeled. Whatsoever means you can use to peel your mango, it depends on you. But anyhow you remove the skin, we will still get to the same point. Whatsoever mango you use, you will get to the same point. So never mind, if you don't like the type I'm using, you can use any one you have. They almost have almost the same benefits. The big difference is just the flavors. So remember, one of these mangoes we are using only for our mango puree. So we are just going to be using 2 pieces only for the first step. So the last piece of this mango, we are going to use half for the garnishing, and the other we are going to use for our puree. So just need small size of dice. So our mango is divided into 3 parts. This we'll just be using for garnishing. So you can see they are very small cubes. This is the one we're using for the juice proper, and this part and this one we need to use for the puree. So for the puree, if you have your hand blender, this will do for you much better. We just use the hand blender to make your puree, but as of now we will be using the main blender because I only have one. If you have the hand blender, this will give you a good result for you. So the first step we need to do now is to make the puree. Into the blender, and we'll blend for 30 to 40 seconds to get our nice, smooth and creamy mango puree. After 30 to 40 seconds, this is what we get: our nice, smooth and creamy mango puree. It's time for us to combine all the ingredients together. This is the 2 pieces of mango sliced already. One-4 cup of sugar. Just 1 cup of chilled milk. Then with a cup of ice. Just close the lid and we start the blending. We blend already all our ingredients together, so now we are just using the puree for glass decoration. This is it. We have almost 3 layers of our decoration. And so we just pour all our mixture together. Then finally the whipping cream. Always shake your whipping cream very well before you use. So here we go. We add our whipping cream already, and we'll just add some garnishing of the diced mango. Just little only. And finally, still we are adding some puree also. Our mango milkshake is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you do like this video, do make sure you give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you click the notification bell so that each time I upload another beautiful recipe like this, you will get a notification. Thanks for watching.